Welcome to yet another interview. This time I'm at the Murata booth and I'm joined by Tommi Vilenius, Senior Manager of Business Development. Thank you for taking the time to talk to us.
Thank you.
A couple of months ago there was some big news coming out from Murata. There was going to be a new European investment, Nordic one specifically, your home country.
Yes.
Finland is a lot of money going into Finland right now, and it's a focus on automotive technology, to my understanding.
We do 90% automotive, so especially autonomous driving and ADAS is of course driving, but also the safety requirements. Now even India is making legislation for life-saving automotive technology, which expands our business.
Well, the European market for automotive has been prevalent for a long time, and it's been growing for quite a while as well. Why the decision to make this investment now?
Our sensors typically go to products and projects that are really long running. So if we now have a temporary slowdown because of the emission tests, it doesn't really matter for us. We've been growing with the stability control programs for 20 years. We don't look into the next 1 or 2 years, but we see that the sensor needs in automotive are growing anyway for years to come.
Yeah. Germany is usually seen as the home of European automotive industry, so why Finland for this?
Well, we've been developing the MEMS technology there since 1979, and producing the MEMS sensors for automotive since 1991. It's not something that you could easily transfer from one area to other, and the core know-how within Murata is in Finland, so that's why also Murata is now investing to Finland, because the core knowledge is there.
And with the speed that the automotive industry is currently growing in, and China being more and more active in it, will these investments be enough to keep up supply?
I don't think this will be the last and final investment. In a sense. It will provide us capacity for next 10 plus years, but looking back, we've invested into a new fab about once per 10 years. So I would assume that 2030 we will then have another fab.
We're in November now, so calendar year is almost over. How has 2018 been for Murata?
2018 has been quite good, although the tension in the global politics, automotive business is doing quite well. And let's say that the latest developments are opening new opportunities in a sense that, for example, in China, the local automotive suppliers are getting more and more active because they see opportunities that the international competition is changing. They have open slots for their own business.
Then I'm going to wish you the best of luck, that you grab as big of a piece of a pie of this automotive industry as you can.
Thank you.
Good luck.